In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own templates to the template library in GoHighLevel. Let's dive right in and make this a seamless process. First things first, you'll need to navigate to GoHighLevel. If you're not familiar with it, GoHighLevel is a powerful platform that lets you manage all your marketing and business automation needs in one place. Once you're logged in, head to the section dedicated to your funnels and websites. This part of the interface is where you'll spend much of your time when creating or managing templates, so it's good to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, once you're in the appropriate section, your next move is to click on the highlight option. This step can sometimes be a bit confusing as highlight may sound broad, but you're essentially looking for the area that will lead you to your template management options. After highlighting, your next action is to locate and click on Upload to Funnel Templates. This is crucial because it opens up the pathway that allows you to bring your own creative designs into the GoHighLevel ecosystem. Simply put, it's like placing your templates in a virtual library, ready for use in your various projects. Type in Highlight next, which might sound repetitive, but don't worry. This step ensures that you're targeting the right section or template you wish to upload. Precision here is key. It guarantees your template is filed correctly. Now click once more on Highlight. This action reinforces your selection and sets the stage for your template's inclusion in the library. Following this, you want to navigate and click on the automotive category. Categories help organize your templates, and selecting one will make it easier to find and use your template later on. You will then click on the name of this template. Making sure it's correctly labeled will greatly assist in keeping everything neatly categorized. Next, go ahead and click on Upload. This is the moment where your design truly joins the library's ranks, becoming accessible for future funnel creations. After uploading, you may see a prompt that says Click to Upload. Do just that. It's often a straightforward click, but mandatory to finalize this process. Once that's done, you'll venture into selecting and clicking the highlight buttons through the interface interactions. These are typically confirmations or selections to ensure everything is in its right place. Once satisfied, you might be prompted to insert media. Click on this if your template indeed includes media elements. As you navigate through, more precise clicks on highlight options will occur, and each one confirms you're ready for the next stage, gradually marking progress. Moving forward, don't forget to click on sections like About and Bio, Template Name, and select other categories such as life insurance as needed. Each click ensures that your template is properly filed under the correct tags or categories, easing retrieval in the future. To wrap things up, ensure you click on Save. This is perhaps the most crucial step. Saving confirms that all your work, categorization, and uploads are stored safely and are easily retrievable for use in your marketing efforts. There you go. With these steps, you can confidently add templates to your GoHighLevel library, fully equipped to streamline your funnel building and marketing strategies.